Hey, welcome back to another video here on the Wicked Gamer and Collector. So in this video we are going to take a close look at the Moqi i7s. But I want to dedicate this video especially to the Sega Dreamcast. So consider subscribing, hit the little bell, become one of the Wicked family, and it will be great to have you here. Nevertheless, let's take a close look at the Moqi i7s. It's just a high quality product. It is nothing that you can compare with the cheap devices I've reviewed in the past. This is something completely different. I did a full review about this product, and the reason why I wanted to do more extended testing, because sometimes when you're testing more games you will see if the device itself is capable to run it very good. Because some of these devices are looking very fancy, but when it comes to multiple game testing you can see it runs pretty shitty. Okay, we're going to try the Retro app. Keep in mind, if you want to play Full HD or 4K you need to buy it from the store. It's not a big purchase, but still something you need to know. We're going to use original aspect ratio. We're going to play it on 920 by 1440. Sadly, sometimes I need to remap some buttons because we don't have all the buttons on the handheld that we can map to the Sega Dreamcast emulator. So that's something you need to take in consideration. So that's something you need to do with some games.
Door breach. Emergency formation. Intercept intruder. Yo, yo, yo. 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 Level 2 security door breach. Level 2 security door breach.
So as you can see, that Sega Dreamcast Full HD runs perfectly on the Moqi i7s. So this is what you're going to get. Consider subscribing, hit the little bell. Don't forget to check out the full review, and it will be great to see you in the next video.